well right now, but we're driving towards Pollock Pines. The reason it's called that is there's a lot of pine trees. So let me see. Oh, you can't really see. But all those trees along the side, they're pine trees. So yeah, we're not going to be here in the daytime, but if you look up what pine trees look like, pretty much this whole road is like all pine trees all along the road. If I get like a place where there's a bit more view, I'll show you guys, but I don't know, for now might not be able to see. Can't really see well right now, but we're driving towards Pollock Pines. The reason it's called that is there's a lot of pine trees. So let me see. Oh, you can't really see. But all those trees along the side, they're pine trees. So yeah, we're not going to be here in the daytime, but if you look up what pine trees look like, pretty much this whole road is like all pine trees all along the road. If I get like a place where there's a bit more view, I'll show you guys, but I don't know, for now might not be able to see. Alright, so fun fact, we just passed the exit for Sly Park. We used to go camping there a lot, but I don't know why we stopped. Is it Jenkinson Lake? Why did we stop going camping there? Is it because the boat was too much work? Julie's boat. I think people just are like, oh, we go here often, too often, then they got tired of it. I don't know. Oh, and then also, I guess my parents live near the levee, so they have the nice waterfront there and stuff too. So, yeah. But we don't really go swimming in there, so I don't know. It's not the same. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to the first charging stop. It drained pretty quick, and it's because we went up in elevation quite a bit. So, do I just drive in? It's all double yellow. They need to make a broken yellow here. So, the reason why is Pollock Pines is nearly 4,000 feet elevation, and Sacramento, where I started, was about 18 feet, so it's nearly a 4,000 feet elevation change. Oops, I need to back in here. Alright, so we're gonna charge, and yeah. Okay, so we're at the first charging place. You can see gas is $5.40. Smells like camping. Alright, let's plug this in. So we have the charger here. I think they messed up the lines, so I should have... Is it gonna reach? It's not gonna reach. I have to fix the parking. They didn't do the lines here, right? So let me fix the parking. See that? I'm in the line. Who did this? Who did this? Alright, so the Tesla chargers, you're supposed to park in between chargers like this, not directly in front of one. Okay, so in the future, I'm not gonna listen to these lines because people don't know how to install these chargers. Maybe that's why Elon Musk fired the whole team. I don't know, but alright, plug that in, and we'll plug that guy in. There we go. I guess actually the way they have it, I can park a little more over, but yeah, usually when they set these up, you park in between, and then the cable is actually supposed to go the other way, so they're supposed to have this that way. I don't know. Maybe it's on the opposite. They're supposed to have, they put these backwards. But yeah, maybe, unless they were trying to install these for other EVs, but it shouldn't be. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look. How long do we need to charge here? 4 minutes to continue trip. That's if I want to go to the other charging stop. So, if we look at the map to get to this South Lake Tahoe one. Okay, so we're going to go all the way over here. That is another... It's only 36 miles. I'm just going to go all the way to Carson City. Let's get rid of the other charger. We don't need to stop at South Lake Tahoe. And then let's see how long we need to charge. So this is how far... Wait, what? Get out of there. That's 36 miles? That's it? Oh, okay, 70 miles. Okay, so we'll charge closer to there. I'm going to add another stop. I'll be back. Okay, I charged way more than enough now. We're going to turn Sentry mode on. Anyways, you can see it says we'll arrive with 23%. I was charging longer just because I was uploading videos for you guys to watch. So, we'll continue our trip, and yeah. Let's just unplug this guy, push the button, turns blue, then white, then you pull it out, put that back in, and we'll go. It's very nice and cool here at this time. what is it? Now it's like beginning of September, almost mid-September, and you got all these trees here. We're kind of up high in the mountains, nice fresh air, and yeah, for me it's nice weather. For some people it's cold, but it's 52 wait, no, what? It's 57 degrees. I don't know, it feels nice to me, but it's cold for other people. It's colder for other people, and it's warm for other people in other places, so whatever you think is cold, it depends where you live. All right, that's it. We'll see you guys soon. Now on these windy roads here.